morning, happy new year 2015, the 1st of January. Guys, we got some lovely recipe. This morning, as I said, we're gonna make your breakfast. It's the 1st of January. If you like this one, please leave your comments. It's egg, bacon and cheese double up in a sandwich, guys, with 2 hard Jamaican slice of a hard bread. You're gonna love this one, so stay tuned as I show you how to make this one. Happy bright and new, fresh new year. Let's enjoy yourself, have a beautiful time. Today is a day off, holiday for you. Eat some food, relax, and just give God thanks. That's all you need to do, make the family happy. So guys, stay tuned as I show you to make this one. Egg, cheese and bacon double up in the sandwich, guys, in this bread. You're gonna love it, so stay tuned. Lovely and nice. As you can see, I got a medium-sized front pan right here with a little bit of oil inside of it. And what I'm gonna do, simple pop in a piece of bacon like this. Now the oil is starting to get hot. Another piece. Another piece like this. Medium-sized meat. Right. And fry it for roughly about 4 minutes each side to get that perfect brown. Lovely, so you can see they're getting that perfect color. Side. Lovely. So these is finished now. You don't need to burn up your bacon. Overcook them, let them look herbal. So this is ready. Last one. Now we're gonna fry 1 egg. And just a little pepper. As the bacon already have salt in it, but you don't need to add any salt. Lovely, so this fried egg is ready. Turn on my stove a little bit more. Let's go into business with this. Now, 2 slices, lovely, nice slice of Jamaican hard bread. First of all, put a little bit of cheese just on top of it like this. Bacon. Nice, lovely egg like this, and a little bit of cheese. That is really lovely and nice, but you don't see anything yet. Look at this now. I'm putting it on my grill for about 2 minutes. Lovely. So as you can see, the bacon, the cheese and the egg, and all you need to do is just put over this lovely slice of a bread on top of it like this, and simple, give it a nice little cut like this, guys. love that for your breakfast. So if you're at home, give it a go, give it a try, and tell me what you think about this lovely breakfast in the morning with fried egg and bacon and cheese laying the bread. Nice double wrap breakfast sandwich for you. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.